Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Kurv Investments KYLD ETF, an options-based income strategy that's been gaining attention. Let's dive into how KYLD works, what's inside the portfolio, and why its holdings make it unique. This is not financial advice, just information to help you understand the mechanics behind the fund. What is the Kurv KYLD ETF? The Kurv KYLD ETF is designed to generate high income by using an actively managed option strategy on top of a diversified basket of securities. Unlike traditional index ETFs, KYLD doesn't simply track a benchmark. Instead, it blends momentum-driven stock selection, exposure to commodities and aerospace, and short-term Treasury positions, all while layering on an options overlay to pursue consistent income. The goal is straightforward: provide high, frequent income while still allowing for some upside participation. Top holdings breakdown. Let's walk through the top holdings of KYLD and what they tell us about the strategy. At the top of the list is a United States Treasury bill making up 10.80%. Treasury bills appear again at 7.63%. These short-term government securities help manage risk and provide liquidity, important for an ETF that actively sells options. Next is Intel Corporation at 8.39%. Intel represents the fund's exposure to large-cap technology momentum. Similarly, AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices, holds 6.18%, and Broadcom sits at 4.98%. KYLD taps into semiconductor and chip sector strength. The fund also includes commodity-related ETFs. The Global X Silver Miners ETF makes up 6.73%, while the Van Eck Gold Miners ETF accounts for 6.10%. These positions add diversification and exposure to metals. There's also FIGXX, the Fidelity Government Money Market Fund at 6.71%, liquidity and stability within the options strategy. Rounding out the list are Howmet Aerospace at 5.84%, and BWX Technologies at 5.44%, both industrial and aerospace names that reflect the fund's momentum-based security selection. Why these holdings matter? KYLD's holdings may look unusual compared to a traditional index ETF, but that's intentional.
The mix of treasuries, tech, mining ETFs, and aerospace stocks supports the fund's dual approach: generate income through options while maintaining exposure to sectors showing strong momentum. Final takeaway: the Kurv KYLD ETF blends momentum-based security selection with an actively managed options overlay to pursue high income. Its holdings reflect a balance of growth-oriented sectors, commodity exposure, and short-term government securities, all working together to support its income-focused design. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know which ETF you want to explore next.